years. And in my tenure, I think I have done from my side, whatever I could do, and I've always tried to do my best in that chair, where I have always tried to uphold the respect of that chair. But now a move has, I've been hearing all this and some signatures have been given. I think this is a kind of a replica that has happened exactly in the Legislative Assembly some time back. People who are completely ideologically different are coming together, to dislodge me, and that too at a time when I have been out of the office, and I have not been able to, in my absence, which is, I think, not fair at all. Of course, they are in their absolute democratic right to demand for me to step down. But I think it should be a very fair play, right? And in fact, I think right now, because though I have not been well, every day, right from the time I was operated on 11th August, from the second day onwards, I have been calling up the chief officer, I've been calling the ME, I've been calling my OSD, and I'm taking a stock of the situation. I have been advising the chief officer, because I know right now we are caught in a lot of legal battles. I think all of you all also know that. There are major problems which are hovering over the Margao Municipal Council. And in a time like this, when the councillors should be united for the betterment of the city, or to solve problems which the city is facing or the Margao Municipal Council is facing, I think at a very vulnerable time like this, that they are trying to, do a conspiracy and dislodge me, or to dislodge the chairperson. In fact, I think in a time like this, they should have remained united to face the problem together, because these are I wonder very much whether the seriousness of the problems are even known by the council. I think the meeting which was held 2 days back, I think the chief officer, our advocate Mishkita, they have tried to put to the council the seriousness of the problems. This is just one set of problems. There are other problems also which the council is facing, and they are all a legal imbroglio. And I think in a situation like this, we should remain united. So I only can tell the press or appeal, saying that wait till I come back. Let us solve the problems. And if the councillors, even when I come back, because my rest period is for about a month, I should be shortly, after a month exactly, I will be going to my doctor to assess my situation. And the doctors advise me to join, I will join. And or maybe by 2nd of October, for me it's a very auspicious day. It is Mahatma Gandhi's Mahatma Jayanti, and Gandhi Jayanti. And त्या दिवसाक I will take a call. If the council feels that I should step down, I will step down, and I will assure that there will be a smooth transition from one chairperson to the other chairperson, whoever comes in. But before that, I will give to the people of Margao a stock of the situation that I have done, or I have because I will have to take a press conference maybe and do this, but not in a situation like this whereby I have to do something from my by being in bed. It's very unfortunate that the events have come to that. So this is my only request, that let me come back, and then we will take a call. Of course, I will also have to, the person who has made me the chairperson, the party which was responsible for for me to become the chairperson, I think I have to consult, I have to sit with them also. So in consultation, I think we could together face this situation in a much more amicable manner, because I have म्हाका कसलोच ते हाताक खुर्चेक चिकटून रावपाचो कसलीच इच्छा ना.